Hey everybody, this is Alan Fine, and I'm here with Silvia Rio and with Bernardo Trindade. He is the shareholder for PTO Bay Group, a group of hotels we're going to hear about. They're in Portugal and in Brazil. And Silvia here is the GM of this lovely hotel. We're going to talk about all of that and more here on Insider Travel Report. Thank you first of all, you hosted me in a very beautiful place, and I can only imagine what the others are like. Let's talk about PTO Bay in general. Let's start with you, Bernardo. How many hotels and where are they?
PTO Bay was born in 1988 in Madeira Island, which is a very well-known place for the English and for the Anglo-Saxonic world. And then, we started in Madeira Island, and then we moved to the mainland, Lisbon, Oporto, and the Algarve. And we made the first experience international in Brazil, where we have a unit in Rio de Janeiro, a unit in São Paulo, and a small posada in Búzios, the small and nice city of Búzios. And we are very, very happy with the bets that we've made a long time. And we are ready to receive you and to receive all the customers of your platform.
What's interesting is that in each of these locations you have upscale as well as luxury, so that there's something for every kind of guest, correct?
Yeah, definitely. And we want to move ahead in order to have this relationship with our customer. We exchange points of view in terms of what quality that we have to deliver each time is what we do in Lisbon, but as well in the other places where PTO Bay is actually.
How many hotels now in total, and will there be more coming?
We have at the moment 15 hotels with more 1,000 workers with us. A big family, hoping to receive your confidence from you and from your clients, of course.
Well, now we're going to start showing you this particular property. Silvia, let's talk about this building. What was it?
Oh, it was an old palace from the latest 21st century. From Contacaria, an old county here from Lisbon. And we did this refurbishment starting it in 2014 and we opened in 2015. So we have 101 rooms.
What are the 101 rooms, but how many suites, classes?
Yeah, we have 5 categories, room categories, and we have 9 junior suites and 3 suites. And we have deluxe and superior rooms.
So as long as we're talking about that, let's describe room 303, because I have a lot of footage of that one. So talk about, we walk in and what do we see?
Oh, it's a lovely room, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Did you enjoy it?
I'm not finished. I'm enjoying it.
You are still enjoying the room, yes, of course. So you are in a junior suite, and so when we enter the room, and you have an entrance, and then on your left-hand side, you will find that you have some amenities here that we provided to our clients, especially in the suites where you can have your coffee station.
Love that.
Tea and coffee making facilities. You have also the minibar that is at your disposal. We offer also a wide variety of products also in our room service. And so then you enter into the living room, and after that...
Well, the desk, I use the desk a lot.
You use the desk a lot.
And the balcony.
And the internet also.
Internet's very good, thank you. But the balcony, let's just talk for a moment, that was a nice plus.
It is. So 75% of the hotel has balconies. So the rooms have balconies. So more or less 75 rooms. Okay. So, and yes, as you said, it's a huge plus here in the hotel.
But it was very quiet, and the layout's wonderful. You can walk, it's a circular layout. So I was able to walk to the bedroom and then into the very, very large bathroom. Let's talk about that.
It is a wonderful bathroom, yes, where you have a bathtub, a shower, with a rain shower that is very much appreciated by our clients, and also have privacy if you are two guests.
Yes,
so you close it up. Okay, so you also give that privacy to our clients.
Comfortable bed.
And a magnificent bed. Bed linen, terrific. So
Can I add something that is very important? She made a very good description about the hotel inside, but let me add the fact that was one of our bets was just to have an infrastructure just in the middle of Lisbon. A very good location nearby the principal avenue of the city, which brings an enormous advantage in terms of the different kinds of how to get to the places, which I think is very important.
I was going to ask about the neighborhood. What we loved was we've been walking, and this is a beautiful. You're just outside the hubbub, but you're close enough to get into it. It's quiet and peaceful, and yet all the activity is right nearby.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's talk about, again, with this hotel, the public spaces and the artwork and the decor, please. And some of it you can see behind us, and we'll show you more in pictures.
Well, the living room where we are now, it was decored by an architect that she works for us for a long time, isn't it, Dr. Bernardo? And her name is Paola Bianchi. But we did made a huge refurbishment now downstairs at the bar area, lobby, and reception. And also in our restaurant. So we have now a brand new restaurant with the new decoration, and it was done by one of our board members, Dr. Sofia Santos, and another architect, Catarina. Don't recall. Catarina. Yes. And so it's a brand new space also, so that we are trying also, always in mind to provide a comfortable space for our clients to stay.
We're still talking about this hotel, but it does also reflect on the others. You have F&B here, and in fact, this evening I'm invited to some special event, which we're going to show them. So let's talk about F&B in general and what's happening tonight, please. And then let's expand that to the other hotels.
Okay, well, tonight we'll have an event called the Chefs Get Together, where our resident chef, João Espírito Santo, invites one of our other chefs, that is Benoit Cinto. It's our chef from Il Galo d'Oro, so our restaurant in Madeira that holds 2 Michelin stars. And we invite also not only our guests that are staying with us, but also the local community to come and enjoy this lovely meal. And this
isn't a hotel that's just for tourists. It's for the locals to come.
Yeah.
Our aim since we've started was to create a relationship with our local community. We have lots of events here.
In all of the hotels?
Yes, in all of our hotels. It's our aim, our image. But in this one, especially, we have lots of expositions, painters coming here, writers coming here. Okay, creating conditions that, a hotel can be a place where you can bring and receive your clients in a proper way.
Let's talk about the restaurant and the bar and the rooftop.
We do have a lovely rooftop on the 7th floor. It is a seasonal bar. Normally we'll start the season around March, April, depending on the weather conditions, and we do the operation until end of October. It's a lovely space on the 7th floor with a jacuzzi and some lounges where the clients can enjoy the sun. Because we do have magnificent weather here in Lisbon, lovely light. It's the light of Lisbon and the sun, and the clients enjoy it very much to stay there and enjoying the weather and the sun.
It's like a little boutique hotel, but it's like a resort because you also have a spa and a pool. Let's talk about that, and a gym.
Yes, we do have in the offer of a very nice swimming pool where you actually can swim. Because it is possible to swim in the middle of Lisbon.
I would say that it's quite interesting that in a nice place, in an ancient palace, you have this kind of commitment. You have the resort environment with spa, with gym, with swimming pool, with nice rooms and the nice restaurants. But you have as well the relation with the local community that can bring writers and painters to be here and to join the environment.
So each hotel is different because of the location, but also they're the same because of the belonging to the group, correct? And how would you say that?
We have normally taking in consideration, I will quote Kotler when he said, in an organization, okay, you have to get location, you have to get a good product, you have to have very good teams, people, and you have to get a message that can bring confidence. And it's a line that starts in Madeira, passes in the mainland and goes to Brazil. You can feel that environment, that Porto Bay environment.
So in theory, as our travel advisors get to know the product, they can tell their clients that feeling will be at each location, correct?
Yeah, definitely, yes. Very good location, nice people, nice team to receive you, and a product that will answer your expectation.
Are any of them family-oriented hotels?
We have it in Madeira and in Algarve.
But this feels more sophisticated.
Yes, in Madeira and Algarve, basically, when you talk about space, we have Vila Porto Mar in Madeira with more than 400 units, and in Porto Bay Falésia in Algarve with more 300 units. You have a family environment where people can, Madeira, as you know, you don't have seasonality, so you can go to Madeira anytime you want. Okay, Algarve, you have a seasonality, but from, I would say, from the end of March until the end of October, you'll get a very good proposal.
So we're going out to 126,000 travel advisors, and let's get them to learn more about the product. Where would they go?
Our website is definitely portobay.com.
Okay, so are there, if they want more personal attention, if a travel advisor wants to really, maybe book a group or whatever, are there email addresses?
They are, yes. We do have a group department for groups.
And if travel advisors begin to work with you more and more, what happens?
Well, of course, that they will get their commissions and increase. Yes.
Okay. Well, I can vouch for how comfortable I've been, the location, the artwork, and I'm about to find out about the food. Mm-hmm. And you'll get to see that. So I want to thank you for hosting me, and I hope that we help you get the word out.
Definitely, was definitely a pleasure, and count with the Porto Bay Group to create a partnership for the future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for talking to us. And this is Alan Fine for Insider Travel Report.